Very good afternoon, students. So today we will continue the lattice essays as we have done already till question number 4. So now we will continue this lattice essays from question number 5. Okay. So in the question number 5, you can see here asked that what is the length of the side? You have to find out the length of the side of a square whose perimeter is 64 centimeter. So to find out this, we'll write here question number 5 bit A. So here perimeter of a square is given, square is equals to 64 centimeter. As you know that perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. So here we already know the perimeter, that is 64 centimeter. Then 4 into side. So to find out side, what we will do, we have to divide the formula which you have to put here, that is perimeter by 4. Okay. So side is equals to, perimeter is your 64 centimeter divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 here, then 4 ones are 4, 2 left over, 6. So each side of the square, therefore, so the length of the side of a square is equals to 16 centimeter. Okay. So in this way, find out the rest 2 questions also. Okay. Just you have to, by using this formula, that is side is equals to perimeter divided by 4. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. The length is denoted with L and breadth is denoted with B of the sum rectangles are given below. Find the perimeter P of each using the formula. Say, P is equals to 2 into L plus B. That is perimeter is equals to twice the sum of length and breadth. So let us take out. Question number 6 is given. First bit I am going to solve for you. L is given 175 centimeter. Breadth is given 50 centimeter. So we know the formula, perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B. So this will be equals to here 2 into 175 length plus 50 centimeter breadth. So 2 into, you have to add this 5, 12, 1 carry over, 225 centimeter. So you have to do here 2 into, multiply here, 2 5s are 10, 1 carried over, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 2s are 4. So 450 centimeter. 450 centimeter is your answer of, is the perimeter of the length given, rectangular length given 175 centimeter and breadth 50 centimeter. Okay. In this way, try to solve the other question. And now look at the question number D here. In the question number D, you can see here length is given 110 centimeter and breadth is given half meter. So students, you must, you have to, whenever you are doing any operation, you mathematical operation using, so there you must see that the unit should be same. So here you can see that this is written half meter. So you are, first of all, you have to convert this half meter into centimeter. Okay, and you know that whenever you are converting any unit from a bigger unit to the smaller unit, you have to multiply. So here what you have to do, as you know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, so here you have to half into 100 centimeter. So 2 ones are 2 here and this will become your 50. That means breadth is equals to 50 centimeter. Okay students, so now So length you have got. Now you will put the formula, that is length P is equals to 2 into L plus B. So that is equals to 2 into length is your 110 centimeter plus 50 centimeter as we have taken out. So 2 into, you have to add this 0, 6, 1, 160 centimeter. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carried over, 2 ones are 2, 3. 320 centimeter is the answer of this question. Okay students, so here also you can see that meter is there, so be careful. Convert this 1 meter into centimeter first, then do the sum. In this also you have to do. Make similar both. Now come to question number 7. Find the area in square centimeters of the polygons drawn on a dot grids by counting number of squares in the interior of each. The figure are not to scale. That not to scale means it is not exactly 1 centimeter if it is. If you will measure it with scale, it is not exactly not exactly 2 centimeter. That means here you have to take that from here written this line is representing 2 centimeter. This means there are 2 line segments in it. That means one line is representing 1 centimeter and another line is representing 1. So that means 2 centimeter here. So each line segment is representing 1 centimeter here. So here you can see the first figure is given square. So this you can easily find out that 4 into 2 centimeter you will take out. Oh, so sorry, here we have to take out the area here. So how many area are there that you have to find out? Question number 7. Bit A. So bit A given side or length you can write. Length of square is equals to 2 centimeter. Therefore, area is equals to side into side or length into length. Okay. So if you are writing side into side, that is equals to 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter, that is equals to 4 square centimeter or 4 centimeter square. Okay students, so rest also you know how to do this one. This you have to count in this irregular, this is the regular, these two are regular shape, these two are irregular shape. So for the irregular shape you have to form the squares on it and you will count the number of square on it. Okay, the number of square it's forming. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So bit number C, 7C, you will write number of squares in the given figure C is equals to, how many are there? 6 are there. 6 area of each square is equals to 1 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the figure is equals to, figure C is equals to 6 into 1 square centimeter. So that is equals to 6 square centimeter. Okay, or 6 centimeter square. Now next question number 8. Find the area of each of the following rectangles. Remember that square is also a triangle. Rectangle. One is done for you. So a rectangle with side 4 centimeter and 19 centimeter. Okay. So here you have to find out the area. That means you know to find out the area. That means you have to find out that length into breadth. Area is equals to length into breadth. So here length given 4 centimeter and 19 centimeter. length is your 19 centimeter and breadth is your 4 centimeter. That means you have to multiply here 4 into 19 square centimeter, that is equals to 79 square centimeter. So in this way you have to do the question number B also. In the here also, this is the all sides are equal as here. So area is equals to length into length. Length into length. 1 is given, that means 17 into 17 you have to do, and that is square centimeter. Okay, multiply it and get the answer here. Okay students, so rest of the question you will do by yourself. All the best to you all. Thank you.